In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a numbered list in Canva. If you've ever typed out points one by one and struggled to keep them aligned and consistent, this will save you time and keep your design looking clean. Start by opening the Canva project where you want the list to appear. Make sure you're on the page or slide that needs the numbering. Now, check whether you already have a text box in place. If you do, click directly inside that text box so it becomes active. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline and the editing caret blinking inside. If you don't see a text box yet, go ahead and add one so you have a spot to type your list items. Once your text box is selected, look for the toolbar that appears across the top of the editor. This toolbar only shows the right controls when the text box is active, so if you don't see it, click inside the text again. In that toolbar, find the list icon. It typically looks like a set of lines next to bullets or numbers. This is the control that switches your text between no list, a bulleted list, and a numbered list. Click the list icon once and it will turn your text into a bulleted list. That's great for simple dots, but we want numbers. Click the same list icon again and Canva will switch it to a numbered list. You'll immediately see a 1 appear next to your first line. If you're starting fresh, just begin typing your first item after the number. When you press enter at the end of a line, Canva automatically moves to the next line and continues the numbering for you. Type your next point, press enter again, and the numbering keeps going, perfectly aligned. This automatic numbering makes it easy to reorganize your list too, because Canva will renumber items if you add or remove lines. A quick tip: if the numbers don't show up as expected, double check that your text box is still selected and that you've clicked the list icon twice. Also, your list will use the same font, size, and color you've set for the text box, so adjust those first if you want a specific style. If you change fonts later, the numbers will update to match, keeping everything consistent. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select or add a text box, click the list icon once for bullets and again for numbers, then press enter to build the list line by line. It's simple, fast, and keeps your content looking professional. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Canva.